Alright, what up, y'all? So it is cold, the car is dirty, but I got this triple suction cup mount thing and this, I guess, selfie stick. So we're gonna try this new camera angle. We're gonna see if this stays put, and we're gonna see what this shot will look like driving. So it might be okay. This is about where we at. So should look good when I'm turning and whatnot, but yeah, we're gonna test this out. I'm gonna test out one hanging off the back, so hopefully it'll get a good angle at like coming down like this or something. So we're gonna try all of this. So let's see if this stays on the car. Alright, so as you noticed, the plan didn't quite work. So what I think I'm gonna do is get one of the bike handlebar mounts. I need something that can mount it in like a second spot, because with it mounted in one spot, it's gonna pivot. So you know, once you speed up, it's gonna pivot and swing to the back. When you slow down, it'll pivot and swing to the front. So I need something to give it a second anchor point to keep it still. So I'm probably gonna mess with that a little later, but yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed seeing that go kind of crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna see if I can find some more mounts laying around. If not, I'll probably order something, and I'll get back to y'all.